Shut up and sit down.
Hi, my name is Brianna Bailey, and I just read an article titled From the Roots Up, Building Students' Vocabulary Knowledge from Latin and Greek by Amanda Wall. Amanda Wall had heard from other researchers that students who knew more morphemes were more likely to have a larger vocabulary because they were able to switch around the morphemes that they had already learned to understand other concepts from what they had previously known. Amanda Wall believed that not simply teaching vocabulary words was the best way to go, but teaching parts of vocabulary words so that students could understand other words besides the ones that were explicitly taught. 75% of the words that students read as they go into middle school are from the Latin and Greek. This is because a lot of textbooks are discipline specific, and so those words are mostly from Latin and Greek roots, and it only increases as they go throughout grade school. Because of this, Amanda Wall chose to do an 8th grade classroom, or use 12 students from an 8th grade classroom to do her study on whether or not teaching simply morphemes would actually help students learn vocabulary better. The 12 students that she used were exposed to 12 different morphemes over several days. Over the several days, they did different projects to help them remember the words and ingrain them in their minds better than just memorizing the definition. They would do word cards, writings, using the morphemes. They would do different projects and posters on the morphemes that they were learning. So an example of a word card would be this. So this word card is on photosynthesis. Photo means light, and so that is what the root part of this word is. So knowing that photo means light would help them understand the concept of photosynthesis. Hopefully they would also learn the morpheme syn, which means together, so they would be able to piece together what this word means. It may be a new concept for a student, and so knowing the morphemes would help them understand this concept even if they hadn't heard the word before. On the rest of the card there is a definition, the process by which a green plant uses sunlight to change water and carbon dioxide into food for itself. And then it also has a picture, so there's a flower with the sun, meaning photosynthesis. And this would help the student picture the word, have heard the definition of the word, and then also know the root of the word so they could apply that root to other words that have photo in it, like photography. Another project that the students might do is a word poster. So this word poster is talking about the morpheme bio. Bio means life, and the students would be required to have 6 to 8 words on the poster that have this morpheme in it. So I put biochemistry, biography, biohazard, biology, biopsy, and biosphere. And then each word has its definition next to it. For instance, biochemistry says science of the chemistry of living things. As the students do this, they will see that all of the definitions have something to do with living things or life. And this will help them remember that bio means life because bio is within each of these words. The students will also be required to draw different things on the poster that help them remember what the word means. So all of the things that I drew on this poster are living things. So a student might draw leaves, animals, flowers, people, or something like that for this morpheme. If they were doing photo for light, they might do a sun, a light bulb, a camera, or something along the lines of that. After doing all the projects, the students that participated in the study did a post-test, and the post-test results were expected to show that the students had built their vocabulary, rather than just staying in the same place. And the post-test results did show that the students had built up their vocabulary and not only knew the morphemes and words that they had already been taught, but had also been able to apply them to new words that they hadn't been taught with the morphemes that they had learned. I would like to use this in my classroom if I were to teach middle grade students, because I think that, especially with the amount of Latin and Greek morphemes that are in textbooks, students need to know how to be able to understand concepts, even if I didn't explicitly tell them what they meant, through knowing morphemes already, so they could know a prefix or a suffix already and already kind of understand the word before they have to look it up in the dictionary or something like that. I suggest that all of us use this strategy to help our students learn how to learn words on their own, rather than always having to rely on the teacher or the dictionary to teach them words. Thank you.